Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install and use Bakkesmod on the Epic Games launcher. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Bakkesmod. Click on the first link that appears. Once on the site, find the Download Bakkesmod button. Click on it to download the setup file to your desktop. Next, locate the downloaded zip file and extract it. Right-click the file and choose Extract Here, or you can just access the zip and open it directly. Next, you may be asked to confirm, so click Yes to proceed. The installer will close any open Rocket League sessions. Click Yes, then choose to create a desktop shortcut and click Next. Finally, click Install to complete the process. Once installed, you'll see a message confirming the installation. Click Finish to close the installer. Bakkesmod will launch automatically. Also, make sure to install any available updates if possible. If it's not running, simply open Rocket League on Epic Games, and you should see a message saying, Epic Games, up to date, waiting for users to start Rocket League. Since I don't have Rocket League, it is showing an error, but it will work if you have Rocket League. Once inside Rocket League, press F2 to open Bakkesmod. Here you can customize everything, from items to decals, and even adjust your boost settings. So that's basically how you can install and use Bakkesmod on Epic Games. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.